So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. I believe we've reached the end of this season. Well, maybe not. Today is the 13th of November, and as I enter what's left of the Garden of Feodora for this season, I see a couple of great things. Now, unfortunately, I didn't come prepared to harvest today, but I think I'm gonna have to. We had a mighty cold wind last night, and that cold wind took the leaves off of everything. Look how brown it is out here. What's amazing though is I have a few radishes here. Yep, remember when I planted those? They seem to have survived okay, along with these radishes here. What a great time we had out here. Putting the tarp down, planting everything, and I'm so glad you were with us this whole time. What's left of my green bells, my gypsies, more radishes, the strawberries. It was fun. I'll come back this afternoon and grab what's left of the peppers, and I'll also come back and get those radishes. And this is the pineapple sage. I'm going to go ahead and pull some cutlings off of that and germinate it in the house for next season. It's beautiful. It grew into a bush. Yeah, look at that. Maybe I'll grab one of these to eat along the way. And there it is, my huge red cherry tomato bush. Well, there's some green ones on there. I'm going to come out here tomorrow with a paper bag, grab those, and I'm going to put them in the cabinet and let them ripen in the house. And hopefully, you can stick with me through that as well. But I think this marks the ending, ladies and gentlemen. It was fantastic, and I thank you for rocking with the best. And as always, peace from the Garden of Feodora. And don't forget, please subscribe or just hit the like button. It helps us out a lot. And as always, peace from the Garden of Feodora.